What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this black mulch. Now this one is the premium mulch from Lowe's. This is like $2, you guys. So basically they have 5 for $10, and you can make your garden look good again. So as y'all know, I have been doing reviews on all types of weed and grass killers and all that stuff, and everything has been basically eliminated. No puns intended to that eliminator brand that we use, but the eliminator actually worked. The grass is actually brown and dead. Let me go ahead, rake all this up. I will show y'all what the mulch look like when I take it out the bag. All right, you guys, so we are about to lay down this premium mulch black. And when you put it down, you just want to spread it out evenly, or you could put it in a big pile and spread it out with your rake. All right, we got one down so far. All right, so it's definitely looking good, nice and black, but as you can see, comes with really big clumps. I don't know if you know, if that upsets you or anything. I know there's some mulch that's more shredded than this, so y'all can let me know how y'all feel about that. I'm about to let off another bag. First, let me get rid of this old grass. Time to open up the second bag. As you can see, this one is black, fresh out the bag. I just put this one down, and it seemed like that one got a little dusty. I guess after I just, you know, when I blew off the cement, I guess some of that dust went over there. Depending on your style of your garden, is depending on how much mulch you want to add. Right. This is the premium black Negro. You see that? Negro. It's like, no, it's called Negro. If Hispanics, they call it Negro. So Negro means black. So we all know what it means. All right, so anyways, I'll get back there in a little bit. I really, like I said, I really don't need to get back there because people just look at the front, especially homeowner association and all that. All right, you guys, so I am done for today, but I am not done for the garden. Basically, I didn't have enough mulch to finish off the rest of the garden, so I will have to go back to Lowe's and hop on to that deal. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.